math friends. Today we have topic 15, lesson 5. And our problem for today's Solve and Share says, draw ray BC that divides angle ABD into two smaller angles. Measure each angle. Solve this problem any way you choose. So the first thing we notice is our angle, ABD. And in our problem, we read that it's got the angle symbol in front of the letter. So we read that angle ABD. We know that this is telling us to draw ray BC because we know that a ray only goes on and on in one direction. Just like this symbol, it only has an arrow in one direction. So I'm going to come over here and get my pen ready to draw my angle. And just going to draw that ray just like that. And so our vertex is down here B. So if I wanted to label my ray BC, I can come in here and label that with the letter C real quick. Now we've got ray BA, ray BC, and ray BD. The other thing I notice about this angle is, and I'm going to get a different color here. If I were to come in and draw a perpendicular line, now I have my 90-degree angle here. So I know that a 90-degree angle, a right angle, is 90 degrees. So I know that my angle ABD is less than 90 degrees. So I know now with my ray BC, I have two angles. Now I'm going to come in and label my two angles. Angle ABC, you can see here with the green and purple, and then angle CBD here with the purple and green. And so what this tells me is if I were to add up the measure of angle ABC and the measure of angle CBD, the sum of those two added together would give me the measure in degrees of the big angle ABD. So think of it like any other addition problem, or like a fraction problem. When you add 1/2 and 1/2, you get 1 whole. In this case, when you add angle ABD, when you add angle ABC to angle CBD, you get angle ABD. Now, our instructions also tell us to measure each angle. We don't have an online protractor, so I am going to do that in a separate video and show you how to use the protractor to do that. Stay tuned.